In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Steam Workshop files on your PC. By the end, you'll know exactly where Steam stores those downloaded mods and how to get to them quickly. Whether you prefer using File Explorer or navigating from the Steam client itself. Let's start with the direct approach in File Explorer. Open File Explorer on your PC and head to your Steam installation folder. If you installed Steam with the default settings, that path is typically C drive. Program files x86. Steam. If Steam lives on a different drive on your machine, just go to that drive and open the Steam folder there. Inside the Steam folder, open Steam Apps, then Workshop, then Content. This Content folder is where Steam keeps Workshop downloads. You'll notice a set of folders named with numbers rather than words. Those numbers are app IDs, which are how Steam uniquely identifies each game. Don't worry if they don't look familiar at first. They're supposed to look like that. Open the folder that corresponds to your game. Inside, you'll find additional numbered folders, each one representing a specific workshop item or mod you've subscribed to for that game. This is where the actual mod files live. Depending on the game, you might see a variety of file types, such as archives, data packs, or configuration files. Some games also place preview images or manifest files in here. If you don't see anything, make sure you've actually subscribed to mods for that game, and that Steam has finished downloading them. If the content folder is empty, launch Steam and let it complete any pending downloads. Then check again. Now, if you prefer to stay within Steam, here is a quick way to jump into a game's local files. Open Steam and go to your library. Find the game you are interested in, right-click it, and select Manage. Then browse Local Files. This opens the game's installation directory in File Explorer. From here, you can see the game's local files, which is helpful if the game reads workshop content into a specific subfolder or if you need to compare or copy files. Keep in mind that workshop downloads themselves are stored in the workshop content location we looked at earlier, while this view is the game's own folder. Both places are useful for different tasks. The workshop content path for the raw mod downloads, and the local game folder for anything the game puts alongside its own files. That's it, thanks for watching.